Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to wire in a second battery on your RV or camper. So a lot of people overthink this process. It's actually super simple. So your standard RV is going to come with a 12-volt battery like so, deep cycle, so it can be charged over and over again multiple times. So the way this works, you're going to have your black and your red positive, black being negative. That's not the same on all campers. If it's not, they will be labeled like this. This one says battery positive, just so you know. Now the way this is going to work for a 12-volt system is you're just going to slap your second battery in right there. You're going to have your two leads that connect the two batteries together, and you're just going to connect positive to positive, negative to negative. That's going to give you, obviously, your extra battery life there, and it's still going to keep the system at 12 volts. So positive, positive, negative, negative. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.